We are like nomads. We move from one place to another. We need a lot of military vehicles because people without vehicles cannot do anything. We need more arms, but more vehicles would be certainly better, and more ammunition. Yes, we have enough people. As far as I know, there are enough people. The Russians are more aggressive now. It feels like they are firing with closed eyes. They shell everything. Before, they at least tried to hit certain targets, but now they are much more aggressive. There are many of them, but we will manage. We have no other option. It was hard to drive in the armoured recovery vehicle and tow a tank behind on the streets where I used to walk with a girlfriend just a month ago.